Hi guys, we received this ceiling lamp for reviewing purposes, and I think it's a really nice ceiling lamp because you can see where the light comes from exactly, because it's well, kind of hidden. And here we've got the assembly instructions, and this is the proper main unit. Okay, it comes on 3 different parts. Okay, so let's take everything out of the proper bags. Okay, there's the first part. As you can see, you can turn it, and we can see the LEDs. Okay, it just needs some basic wiring, so it's going to be an easy installation. Okay, and we have this fabric shade, which looks really nice. Okay, I'm gonna take it out of here. Okay, there it is. So we need to place first this part, and then this, so it holds like this. Okay, we're gonna be installing it in here, so let's go. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed. It looks really nice. It has a warm white temperature, which is perfect for any, well, bedroom, dining room, living room, wherever you want to place it. It will look amazing. It has a, well, distinct style to it. I like it a lot. The fabric shade looks really nice. And it's really discreet. It doesn't take that much to install. It's just some basic wiring and installation, and it's really nice. Okay, so I would really recommend it. See ya.